Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to check YouTube earnings in new Adsense report beta. CTR, RPM, impression, clicks and revenue. Each and everything you can check in new Adsense report. For this one, you don't have to open Google AdSense account. You have to open your YouTube channel Creator Studio. After opening YouTube Creator Studio, then you have to click on Analytics. And then here you will see option See More. You have to click on it. And then here you will see the tab Select Secondary Metrics. You have to click on it. And then here you will see all the new Google AdSense beta features here in YouTube. You don't have to go to YouTube. Everything you can check from here. Now you have to select whatever you want to check. If you want to check impressions, you can click on impressions and scroll down, and then here you will see your YouTube channel impressions. If you want to check your YouTube channel daily earning, then again you have to click on this secondary metric tab, and then from here you have to check your estimated revenue. You have to click on it, scroll down, and then you have to filter. Click on last 28 days. From here you have to select March, and then you have to click on date, and then here you will see your detailed YouTube daily earnings, how much you are earning each day. Right now you can see we have filtered as daily earning, and you can see the report is showing each day earnings separately. So in the same way, you can also check your YouTube earnings in new AdSense report beta. CTR, RPM, impression, clicks and revenue, each and everything separately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.